channel. I hope you're all really well. I am going to get some cleaning done in this video, so I hope that this is going to give you a little bit of motivation. In this one, I am getting done a lot of jobs around the house that I've been putting off. All the kind of things that I don't do very often, like cleaning the oven, the washing machine and things like that. So I just thought I would film all the little highlights, some really nice satisfying transformations as well. A lot of it I'm using the pink stuff actually, which I'm a huge fan of, and some other really handy tools for cleaning. So I really hope that you enjoy it, and I will get stuck into my cleaning. So one job that I really needed to do was try and get all these little rust stains off of my bar stools. I think it's happened because of using a spray mop, and I think I've sprayed them and then it's sort of obviously rusted on. But the pink stuff, it says that it works on rust. This was my first time using it on anything like that, but I was really happy with the results. It managed to get off all of the rust on the base of the stool. The only place where I struggled to get rid of it was just around the rim of the stool. So I just went in with a toothbrush. I love a toothbrush. I have got a whole pack of toothbrushes that I use for cleaning because I just find that they come in so handy. But that definitely did help get some of the rust off there. And as you can see, in the end, it was a really good transformation of going from all rusty and dull to nice and shiny. I also had to get some dusting done and get in all of those really difficult to reach places, and this duster that I was very kindly sent has made life so much easier. I'm not very tall, so I find it really hard to get into places like this, like on the stairs. But this Tia Volley microfiber feather duster really helps. It is extendable so you can reach up high. It also comes with this amazing blind cleaner, which just makes cleaning the blinds, which I find a real pain, so much easier. You can see all the dust that came off them, so it's definitely doing its job. And the great thing about this is it has a lifetime guarantee. So you just take off the covers of the dusters and stick them in the wash, and yeah, that will last you forever, and it definitely makes the job a lot easier. Moving on now to the oven. This is something that I do try and keep on top of, so I don't want it to turn into a huge job that is going to take me forever. But again, I use the pink stuff on this. I always have one of those tray liners on the bottom as well, just to try and minimize the mess, which washes really easy. Any product I mention, by the way, I will link below if you want to check any of them out. But I just went over everything with the pink stuff, and it always amazes me how well it cleans things, considering it is not abrasive. Like if you use those oven cleaner kits and you accidentally get some of on your skin, you will know that it definitely burns, whereas this is just so mild but also does an amazing job. So I just went over all the oven racks, again using a toothbrush, and I went over the sides of the oven, and the difference I just thought was incredible. Like when you compare the metal bars next to ones that I have done and ones that haven't been done yet, like it's just such a difference. So that is the inside, all lovely and clean, and then I just sprayed the front door with some glass cleaner as well, just to give that a good shine up. But this really didn't take me very long, especially using the pink stuff. I would definitely recommend getting that because you can use it on so many things. Next, trying out the pink stuff on my trainers. Now, I had seen people had done this and I had never used it to clean trainers before, but I thought I would give it a go because my Vans were looking particularly mucky and I've got a lot of other shoes that I need to do this on, because this worked amazingly. Like, it was so quick, just giving it a quick brush over with a toothbrush and they came up like new. So definitely something that I will be doing from now on because it just worked amazingly. I have also read that toothpaste works really well to clean shoes as well, so that might be worth a try. But I am really pleased with how these came out. Next, I'm using this fab little tool that I got off Amazon. I saw one on Instagram and thought I've really wanted to try it, and it is so good. So using it on things like the stairs, which I don't hoover as often, it just pulls up all of the fluff. Really good if you've got any pets, and you can use it on your sofa, anything. And if you don't have one of them, I do find that this works really well as well, and one of these window cleaners. So I'm going to link everything below, but yeah, if you don't have one of them and you've got one of these window cleaners in your cupboard, then that works really well for getting the fluff up as well. Back onto my pink stuff, I am just going over the hob to give it a real good shine up, which I find works really well. I also used it to clean my toaster. So my toaster had all these like burnt marks on the top, and amazingly this just took it off with a microfiber cloth and just me rubbing it over the burnt marks, and it just came up like new. So that was another job that needed to be done, and I am really pleased with it because the toaster just looks like it's brand new again. This is another job that I can end up putting off for a bit longer than I should, and it is washing my makeup brushes. Now, if you have particularly expensive makeup brushes, you might not want to do it this way, but I find this just the best way to wash them, and it is by putting them into a pillowcase and then putting them in the washing machine with a washing tablet, just on a quick wash. And honestly, it works a treat. Like, they come out so fluffy and clean. I haven't found that it is damaged to my brushes in any way, so it is a much easier way for me to get my brushes clean. Now on to cleaning the washing machine. Now, don't judge, guys, this is not looking too good. It is gross, to be honest. My tray in my washing machine, so I am just using, once again, you guessed it, the pink stuff with a toothbrush and just scrubbing all the inside of the tray, which worked again a treat. I also did the same for inside the washing machine, just again with the brush. I have got a new brush that I showed in one of my hauls actually from B&M that needs some batteries. It's like a turbo brush that I'm thinking would be really good for this. I just need to actually buy some batteries so I can use it, but it's like a scrub brush. So I find a brush works best on the inside of the washing machine like this. So I just got that all nice and clean again. It's amazing how quickly this can get messy, and yeah, after not very long it can end up being a bit dirty inside. So I definitely need to try better to keep on top of that. I saw this on TikTok. It's a hack to clean the inside of your washing machine. So a dishwasher tablet and some soda crystals, and you just put it on again for a quick wash, and it will just clean the inside of your washing machine and just get rid of any bad smells, and it works amazingly. So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know any of your cleaning tips and hacks down below. I would love to know some. I absolutely love a hack, especially if it's going to make cleaning easier. I would love to see you again for my next video. So take care everyone. Bye.